Welcome back to Base Camp, Western North Carolina. We're on this build. As you can see in the background, the house, the homestead's being built. You can hear the generators. Everything's running. We don't have any electric on this site. We are off grid. This deck right here in front of me, I started yesterday. It's on a gravel pad. It is a 16 by 32 foot deck on 16-inch centers. It's just based up on cement blocks. There's no big foundation. We're not worried about that. The grading and the gravel was done by a local excavating contractor who either his tape measure's bad, his transit's bad, or he can't read them. He's only 7.5 inches out of grade, so it took a while yesterday in the rain to get it all done. We got it done, got the deck built in the first day, and we're ready to start doing the walls. And what we'll be doing on these things is showing people how to do it by themselves. We're going to be building the stud walls of it now in an 8 by 8 piece. We're going to do 8-foot wall sections and stand them up. That way one person can do it without need of help of all your friends and buddies. This site will have this house being built, this shed, a few other ones. It's got a real nice flowing creek. We'll be putting a hydroelectric on this property. So stay tuned, we'll take you along, we'll start framing up the walls, and I'll show you how to do them in 8 by 8 sections. Thank you. Welcome back. As I said, these walls are made in 8-foot panels. We have one stood up. I have them braced on the X and Y axis, 4.5 side to side on the corner. And then by yourself, I have these little blocks of wood that you can see standing right here. Hope they don't make you too sick moving with the camera. I screwed them blocks of wood every 8 foot on the side of the header board on your floor joists. And this way you can stand them up by yourself, and you don't have to worry about the wall falling off or being in the wrong place. So now you can just stand the walls up. When I go through this part of the bid, I do like to use a screw gun, because the screw gun's a whole lot easier to take it out, readjust it for plumb. It'll take a good bit of bracing when all the walls are up to get everything the right measurement, get them all plumb. And we'll take you over that and show you when we get the ends going, and show you just how easy to do. This is a 16 by 32 foot building, and we'll be doing rainwater catchment and everything on it. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. This is the beginning of day 3 on the build. As you can see, with the 8-foot wall sections, they go up pretty quick. We started putting the smart siding on. We ran out of 2-inch dimensional lumber, so once again we spent a couple hours at the big box store getting aggravated waiting on people. Today we're going to go ahead and finish up the top plate, build the header on that far door for the big wide door for the lawnmowers and all to come in. Met with the homeowner here yesterday afternoon. He figured out where the doors and windows are going to be. We're going to go ahead and build the headers for them, and then we'll be starting on the roof system. We got run out of here last night. You can see the floor is kind of wet. We got run out of here by thunder and lightning, so we're videotaping this thing first thing in the morning. So this will be the beginning of day 3. Thank you. Back again. End of day 3 again. Of course, got rained out, so we do have all the siding on as of now. As you can see, we've got our rafter clips up on top. Today we're going to be framing the roof out on this build, and try to have the roof on, have the framing done today, and maybe on Friday put all the metal roofing on. So stay tuned, we'll see how this thing goes. Thank you. Here we are. This is the outside view. This is smart siding on this outside edge for sheds and buildings. Gonna have a green metal roof. We'll have a ramp coming out there where the truck's parked, set of steps for the door. Sooner or later he'll have a 10-foot porch and deck coming off the front and a roof over top of it, and be going from there. Well, welcome back. We finally got this shed done for the owner, and there it is with the entrance doors. He's going to build the ramp. He's going to put some mobile home steps up for now until they get the deck built. The moisture barrier paper that's hanging down outside the roof was done for a reason. He's going to tape that up on the roof, and he'll be able to use a power sprayer and spray this thing in less than an hour. So here it is done. It's 16 by 30, completely finished up for him, ready to move in. Thank you for watching the series.